In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a shopping cart conversion funnel exploration in GA4. This funnel exploration will help you visualize user behavior from adding an item to the cart all the way to completing a purchase. So to begin, open your GA4 property and head over to Explore from the left-hand menu. Select Funnel Exploration to start creating your funnel. In the Steps section, we'll define the sequence of events that make up our conversion funnel. The first step is Add to Cart. This checks when a user adds a product to their shopping cart. Click Add Step, name it Add to Cart, and select the Add to Cart event. Notice that the chart on the right immediately updates to show filtered traffic for this event. If no traffic appears, it may indicate that the event hasn't been set up correctly in your implementation. Next, add a step for View Cart. This happens when a user views their shopping cart. Click Add Step, name it View Cart, and select the View Cart event. This step helps you monitor how many users review their cart contents before proceeding. A low number here may suggest users abandoning their carts before reviewing them, which could be addressed by a clearer call to action or better cart accessibility. The third step is Begin Checkout. This tracks when the user starts the checkout process. Name the step Begin Checkout and select the Begin Checkout event. This step is critical because it marks the user's intent to purchase. If there's a significant drop-off at this point, it may indicate hesitation due to factors like shipping costs, lack of trust, or unexpected fees. Next, add shipping info. This is where users enter their shipping details. Name it Add Shipping Info and choose the corresponding event. A drop-off at this step will suggest issues with the shipping form, such as complexity or lack of preferred shipping options. The fifth step is Add Payment Info. This checks when users provide payment details. Name it Add Payment Info and select the Add Payment Info event. If users abandon the funnel here, they might be concerned about payment security or might not find their preferred payment option available. Finally, Add Purchase. This is the event that confirms a transaction has been completed. Name it Purchase and select the Purchase event. This step represents the goal of the funnel. Analyze how many users reach this stage compared to earlier steps so that you can calculate your overall conversion rate. Once all the steps are added, you will see the complete funnel on the right side. This shows how users progress through each step and where drop-offs occur. Significant drop-offs can highlight friction points in the user's journey. By default, the funnel appears in the standard bar chart format. However, you can switch to a trend view for a time-based perspective. When you do this, a line chart displays the number of users for each step, broken down by day. This allows you to see patterns over time, such as if conversion rates improve after campaign or degrade during certain periods. You can also use segments. You can compare conversion rates, for example, for organic traffic versus paid traffic. You might see that users from paid campaigns drop off earlier in the funnel, suggesting a need for better targeting or ad messaging. You can also use segmentation to analyze device types or regions. This can help you identify if mobile users or specific geographic locations such as California are experiencing unique challenges or opportunities. If at any step you see no data in the chart, it's important to troubleshoot. Verify that the corresponding event is implemented correctly in your tag manager or website's tracking setup. Track real-time reports to see if the event is firing as expected. With the funnel in place, you can now identify high-performing steps and pinpoint where users drop off. Using these insights to refine your website and improve the overall conversion rate. And this is how you create and analyze a shopping cart conversion funnel